Welcome to Zero to Radiant, and I'm Shang. Today, we will dive into Neovim, an enhanced version of Vim that's loved by developers for its speed, extensibility, and efficiency. Whether you are a beginner or switching from Vim, this tutorial will help you to set up and use Neovim. Let's get started. First, what is Neovim? It is a modernized version of Vim designed to be more user-friendly and feature-rich. It's ideal for coders who want a lightweight and powerful text editor. If you have used Vim before, you will feel right at home. If no, don't worry, I will guide you step by step. To install Neovim, Homebrew Package Manager will be used, since Homebrew is up to date very fast for Neovim. Before that, update the source of our package manager by using sudo apt-get update for my situation because I'm using Kali Linux. Using sudo apt-get install build essential, pro cps, curl, file, git to install necessary package. Download the install.sh from GitHub to install Homebrew. Initialize Homebrew's environment variable every time when a new ZSH shell section is started. Run the eval command again to initialize Homebrew's environment variable without reboot the shell section. Install Neovim. Once installed, type Neovim in your terminal to open Neovim. Now, let's explore some basic skill. Use H, J, K, and L to move left, down, up, and right. For faster navigation, jump by forward using W to move forward, E to jump to the end of a word, and B to move backward. Need to go to the start or end of the line? Use 0 or $sign. Neovim has different modes. The most common are normal mode, which is for navigation and commands, insert mode to insert content by pressing I to start typing, O for inserting in next line, visual mode to select text by pressing V, Ctrl V for block visual, Shift V for line visual. To switch back to normal mode, hit ESC. Editing is easy once you get the hang of it. Use X to delete a single character. For entire words, try to use DW, which stands for delete word, or DD to delete the whole entire line. Copy text with Y, which stands for yank, and paste it with P. Undo mistakes with U, and redo with Ctrl R. Search for text by typing / followed by your query, then hit enter. Navigate matches with N for next and capital N for previous. To replace text, use colon %sign S /O /new /G. This replaces all occurrence of O with new. Simple and powerful. To save your work, type $W. To quit, use $Q. Combine with them with $WQ to save and exit in one command. If you want to quit without saving, use $Q and exclamation mark. These are all lifesaver when you are in a rush. Need to open another file? Use $E with file name. To switch between open files, use $B next and $B previous. Managing multiple files becomes seamless with practice. Neovim lets you work with split windows. Use :split for a horizontal split and :V split for a vertical one. Navigate between splits using Ctrl W followed by the arrow key. Macros save repetitive tasks. Start recording with Q followed by a register name. For example, QA. Perform with your action, then stop recording with Q, replay the macro with Alliance A. This is a game changer for repetitive tasks. Customization is where Neovim shines. To manage the customization of Neovim, Lazy will be applied. Lazy.nvim is a fast and lightweight plugin manager for Neovim. Before downloading Lazy plugin manager, there are some steps need to be applied. First is install the dependencies. Firstly will be Node.js. Sudo apt get install Node.js npm-y. npm install -g Neovim. Secondly will be the Lua. Sudo apt get install Lua 5.4-y. Third is Ruby. Sudo apt get install ruby-foo-y. Gem install Neovim. The fourth will be the fzf. Sudo apt install fzf-y. Fifth, fd-find. Sudo apt install fd-find-y. Sixth, ripgrab. Sudo apt install ripgrab-y. 7 will be the Lua rocks. Sudo apt install Lua rocks-y. The last one will be the lazy git. Brew install lazy git. After download all of the dependencies, go to lazyvim.org website to clone the starter of Lazyvim. Clone the starter. Remove the .git folder with sudo command. Start Neovim. After plugin loaded, press colon and enter check help to check the installation. If no error, that's good to go. Last but not least, font support of the Neovim need to be changed. Open Firefox and go to NERDTree's website. Click download and download any fonts you like. Extract the zip file and open terminal to move fonts directory to local fonts directory for operating system. Create a font directory for fonts and move the fonts directory to the created directory. After that, refresh the font cache and check the font list. Let's familiar with some of the techniques. First is switch key. Press space, which is called ladder in Lazyvim for getting keywords manual. Second, find files. When in the main page, we can use F to find the file. If not, we can use space plus FF to find the file. Third, Ctrl/. When in the file, we need to execute the file. We can press Ctrl+/ to open and hide terminal. Fourth will be find word. Grab a specific word to find the location of file and word by pressing ladder+/. Fifth, list buffer. Press ladder+F+B to list the current buffer. Buffer is the opening file. 6. Split windows. Ctrl+WS to split horizontal. Ctrl+WV to split vertical windows. That's it for a guide to Neovim. If you found this helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for more information technology skills.